And all I feel is blue. Black, black.
Hello and welcome back to Execute Codes. Today in this video, I will show you how you can download the Netbeans IDE. So now I will be telling you how you can download Netbeans IDE for Java programming. So now so go to the link given in the description, and from there you can download. Now when you will go to the link, you will come with this page and you will see Netbeans IDE fits the pieces together. So now you will see that it supports many other mobile and web applications with Java, JavaScript, HTML5, PHP, C or C++, and more. So now I will be showing now GUI programming in Java, which means I will be showing you JFrame, JLabel, JButton programming, and I will also tell how they are used and how to use them also, and why they are used and do and other things. Now you will see the Netbeans IDE is free, open source, and it's moving to Apache Software Foundation. So means now it will be collaborating with the Apache Apache. You can see new moving to Apache, the Apache Software Foundation. So now what are its features of this Netbeans IDE? So just scroll down and you can see that it's easy and efficient project management, rapid user interface development, right? Bug-free code, powerful tools for JavaScript, HTML5, and CSS3, cross-platform support for multiple languages. For example, you can see JSP, JS, HTML5, C, C++, Groovy, and PHP. And it's also a rich set of community-provided plugins where support for latest Java technologies and fast and smart code editing. So these are the features of the Netbeans IDE. Now how to download it? To download it, just click on Netbeans IDE 8.2. So just click on download, and when you click download Netbeans IDE 8.2 download, you will get this web page. And now subscribe to newsletter. So you need to don't fiddle with this. So go to ID language. So you can select your language, whichever language you want. I will select English, and you can also select your platform. For example, you have in Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or OS independent zip. So I have Windows, so I will select Windows. Now, so when you scroll down, you see Netbeans IDE download bundles. Now, supported technology. So here are so many technologies given here with supports, and it's also for Java SE, Java EE, HTML5, JavaScript, PHP, C, C++, and all. Now from here, I will now suggest you for beginners to download Java SE. Then they can move to for all. And if you want to use for Java EE, you can also use Java EE. But for now, I will suggest you to download Java SE for beginners because it's good for beginners now. You just click on download and your download will start. So Netbeans IDE 8.2 download started, and your download should start automatically. And if not download it here. So now I will just cancel the download because I have already downloaded it. Then you need to just click on this exe button, exe file, and you need to install it. So after installing it, you need to configure where you want to save your files and Java files and class files, so you can configure with it. Now I will show you my Netbeans IDE, which is here. The Netbeans IDE 8.2, which I have now. So now it is loading all modules and all, and you will see Netbeans IDE, and you will open up with the start page also. Netbeans IDE, learn and discover, my Netbeans IDE, what's new. So now from here you can see recent projects, my first project. So you can see your recent projects, what you did, and you can also install plugins And you can also, if you don't want to show this on startup, you can just do uncheck and that's it. So just I will just check this, and now using this you can download Netbeans IDE. So now using this tutorial and this video, I will be showing you how you can do Java GUI programming. So this much only for today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Also share to many other people who need it. Thank you. Goodbye.